Hello, you're welcome, and this lesson is going to help you know how to use so in a sentence as well as what it means when it is used in a sentence. So simply means average or mediocre. Average or mediocre, but it also means neither very good nor very bad. So neither very good nor very bad. That is so. Neither very good nor very bad, average or mediocre. You can also say ordinary. Something that is ordinary is just so. We have two examples that are going to help us know how you can use so in a sentence. So be careful as we go through these examples one by one. Starting with this one. This company is very famous, but their services are just so. This company is very famous, but their services are just so. I hope you have come across companies that are very famous, that almost everybody knows them, but they offer so services or so products. Companies that are very famous, but they offer services that are just average, or they offer products that are just average compared to how big they are, or compared to how famous they are. Let's go to a second example. Sometimes you can be asked how someone is doing, or you can be asked about how you yourself are doing, and you can respond with a so if you are not very good, if you are neither very good nor very bad. If your situation or if your condition is not neither very good neither very bad, you can just respond with a so. How is your mom doing this week? How's your mom doing this week? This is a question. Somebody asks this kind of a question. How's your mom doing this week? The response can be so. Even if you just don't add any other words, so can be enough to give a message to somebody who asks a question. How's your mom doing this week? If the response is so, it means the mom is neither in a very good condition nor a very bad condition. The condition of the mom is neither very good nor very bad. That's what is meant with a so response. She still needs our prayers. She still needs our prayers. It means that she still needs to get out of that condition, because it is not the condition that is good. It is not the condition that is expected. We expect her to be better than that, or to do better than that. She still needs our prayers because the condition is so. Not very good, not very bad, but we just want it to be better than it is at the moment. Now let's go through these examples again, and I shall read them, and you shall try to listen to me while I'm reading them, and see if you can understand them clearly with so being used in those sentences. Number one, this company is very famous, but their services are just so. Number two, how's your mom doing this week? So. She still needs our prayers. If you haven't subscribed yet, just consider subscribing so that you don't miss any upcoming lesson. Have a good moment.